children. I feel very proud about Hari because the last 1 year she has been blooming like a bud. The best part of it is she has grown into a strong individual who is able to tell what she wants. Like there is no confusion in her mind. She tells clearly what she wants, which was not the case 1 year ago. And I attribute that to the school, or rather the learning center, because school has become a kind of stereotype. A learning center where she is able to learn what she wants from everyone. She learns from the children, she learns from the teachers, and I'm sure she also teaches all of them something else. But then this 1 year, seeing Hari grow has been a wonderful experience for me. And I thank ELC for having given us this opportunity. The only thing I miss from Mangalore is ELC.
I'm a parent of Tanusha, Malli, who's studying in LKG. The thing is, when I'm associated with this school since 2013, that's the nursery when she joined in here. And that was the initial year when the school was formally started. So the past 2 years I've actually seen it grow from strength to strength. It has, from where it started to where it has reached. It is like, in a short span of time, it has really done a lot of things. But the vision was so clear that early learning, when it said early learning, what early learning really meant for a child. So that exactly, they have kind of, the dreams are like, if you see the school, you really know what the dreams are like, then it's really come to reality. Secondly, what I felt is they have kindled that interest of going to school, like most of us felt, which is very important in early learning. The moment your child feels it doesn't want to go to school, then that's it. After that is a pushing process every day. But that hasn't happened. And first day when the child came to school, they didn't want to go. Thing is, the place over here is done so beautifully, unlike many schools which is so boring, and the classroom with a closed space. Whereas that entire open space, initially it was just a small garage-like space what they had, but they had done it so beautifully with a big mirror which gave it a feeling of openness. And one day when I came to school, I saw that my child was going in and out, and we are so like thinking, why does the child walk out and in of school? The way they were kind of encouraging the child to free learning, the spirit of free learning, that was instant, which I was really happy. That is the other thing I would say is it just doesn't focus on curriculum. The second, the other extracurricular activities like the storytelling sessions what you have organized by Jiva Raghunathan. That is really a workshop for us where we would learn how to tell the stories to children, which I thought was an excellent thing. Yeah, I would say congratulations to you all. And it's the team of teachers I shouldn't forget when I see. Purnima, I remember they are really working to nurture the children in a way they are being nurtured. Now I'm really looking forward with the first standard children start off excellent.
Hi, I'm Tejaswita. My son Neil studies here in lower KG. In today's competitive world, I was looking for a school which could make education a joyful experience, which was very difficult finding. But then my search ended when I came to Early Learning Center here. What I see, children are just enjoying how they're learning. They're not forced academically. It's so beautiful how they're coming up here. This place has a dynamic balance between fun, play, academic rigor, and discipline. What I love best is children. The staff here make sure that every child here excels in every area. In their curriculum, in every area. Every child is given an opportunity to excel. And I love the library. My son loves reading, so he was very happy seeing the library. I just love everything about the staff here, how they are, how lovely they are. His years are not going to be stressful till he is here. I'm sure it's not going to be stressful for us. That's what I was looking for. There's no, even if the homework comes, I'm not stressed that I have to finish it and send it. He says that's okay, I'll tell my teacher. And teacher also says don't force him, that's the best part. And what I see in him is he's become so confident. He goes, he speaks. Lately I've just traveled a lot, and everywhere they've been asking him, which school do you go to? And he just tells proudly, I go to Early Learning Center, my teachers are so and so. I feel so nice when they look at him. They wonder, oh, in India you have schools like this, and he's enjoying it it so much. Saddest part is probably I have to leave India and go. But just for his education, for this school, I might make a decision of staying back. Just for that 1 more year here, I'm just thinking of staying here because I know I can't get something like this anywhere else. That's all I know. Even my son is not ready to think of any other school. When I tell him that we might have to move to other school, he's like, no, I'm not going anywhere else. I love this place. I'm just not going to shift. Thanks to the staff, to the entire team who put so much effort in everything. They just not pushed academically, but all other activities, they're made to get dirty. That's what I love. They're made to come as they are. If he wants to come in his pajamas, he's allowed to come. That's the best part. That's what I wanted. I didn't want my son to feel this, and I didn't want him to hate his schooling. And he loves the school, I feel. And what children get here, what the best part is, they're taught how to learn rather than what to learn. That's what I feel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, hi, I'm Mrs. Bhavya Yashoraj, proudly the mother of the ELCN student, Mr. Omvi. Here, ELC, Early Learning Center, is a whole package of goodies for the tiny tots to explore their wisdom with lots of fun, love and laughter. Here in ELC, they are learning very simple with experiments, demonstrations, workshops, and then they've got field trips once in a week, which the kids love going in the bus, that wearing the ELC t-shirt. Okay, and then the school has got a very homely atmosphere with the Mother Nature surrounded by it. And then they've got an eco-friendly play area and a very precious treasure of attractive books, colorful books in their library. Yes, I have made a right decision at the right time for the basic foundation of my son's education in this prestigious school, ELC. The teachers here are all blessed with patience, and they are masters in loving, caring and encouraging kids to gain self-confidence in them. Wish I could have such a school in my school days, but no regrets. I'm living my second childhood with my son. And then I appreciate personally the teachers, the whole team, ELC team, for their hard work in updating all the standards, raising the standards of the educations day by day, and even the moral values along with it. The classrooms are very spacious and ventilated with the modern technologies to give effective teaching to the children. And then we are happy being the part of the family, that is ELC family. Thanks to ELC. Twinkle twinkle little star, ELC is the superstar.